Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at Fortnite Chapter 3 Season 2. A lot of you guys wanted to know what Chapter 3 Season 2 was, and this is Chapter 3 Season 2. They're introducing a few of the brand new characters. You might remember this purple guy. I forgot his actual Prowler from Spider-Man Shattered. I forgot. Basically, this is a character from Spider-Man. Then you got Doctor Strange and some other characters. I don't know who these are. So this is Prowler. So this is one of the villain slash uncle of Spider-Man. The Black Spider-Man, that is. Miles Morales. Yes. So yeah. So this is season 2. In chapter 3 everything's very changed. Like, this is how the battle pass now looks. Page 1, page 2, it's very different from before. As you can see now, it's all about collecting stars and then unlocking your own I don't know what you call this, your own cosmetics and skins, whatever you want. And yeah, there's a lot of new changes in this season. You've got the new zero build mode, so if you don't like building in Fortnite, don't worry, now you can only work on the gunfights. Yeah, with that being said, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.